Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log in Lloyds Bank app. Start by finding the Lloyds Bank app icon on your device. Tap the app to open it. Once the app launches, you will see the login screen appear. On this screen, type in your user ID and password. These are the same login details you use for Lloyds internet banking on the website. Make sure you enter the information correctly to avoid login problems. After entering your details, tap the Continue or Login button. The app will then ask you to complete a security check. For this step, you need to enter 3 specific characters from your memorable information. Lloyds Bank uses this extra layer of security to help protect your account and personal information. If you forgot your password, do not worry. On the login screen, tap the Forgot Password option. The app will guide you through the password reset process. You may need to verify your identity before creating a new password. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully until the reset is complete. After setting a new password, return to the login screen and sign in with your updated details. Once logged in, you will arrive at the home page where you can start using the Lloyds Bank app to manage your account, check balances, transfer money, and more. Thanks for watching.